Hey guys, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. So today I'm here with an Indian or South Asian bridal eye makeup tutorial, and for that I have created this pinkish purplish half cut crease eye look. I think this is a perfect look for this wedding season, and I have hooded eyes. So along the way I will be sharing with you so many tips and tricks to achieve perfect cut crease on hooded eyes. Before starting, if you are new to the channel, then hi, I am Neeta. I upload makeup, skincare and beauty related videos here on my channel. If those things interest you, then please consider subscribing. It will mean a lot to me. And if you are already a subscriber, then thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. So yeah, without further blabbering, let's get started. I have done my brows off camera. Now I am taking my e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in the shade Medium Sand, and I'm just cleaning up the borders on my brows. Whenever you are doing a full glam look, always try to follow this step. It just makes a huge difference on the way your brows look. And I recently shared with you my updated eyebrow routine. I will mention the link in the description bar down below, so please go ahead and check that out. I'm applying the same concealer on my eyelids to prime my eyelids for eyeshadows that is coming up next. I'm just blending it out using a small sponge. This particular sponge is from Studio 35 and it is a damp sponge. With a little bit of translucent loose powder, I'm just setting the concealer so that it does not crease. Now I'm applying a sticky tape to have that sharp edge. For my eyes, first I'm taking this particular shade from my Juvia's Place Masquerade palette, and it's a light brown shade, and I'm applying it as my transition color, and I'm using a large fluffy blending brush from Morphe, and I'm just slowly building it up to avoid any kind of patchiness. And I will mention the brush name and everything in the description bar down below, so please go ahead and check that out. I completely forgot the name of that brush, but it came with the Morphe Jeffree Star color collection, I believe. Now I'm taking this purple shade. It's a dark purple shade from the palette, and I'm applying it slightly above my crease. You can see my natural crease right across my eyelid. So I am creating a new crease for myself, and the brush that I'm using is the Morphe JS15 brush. And again, I'm doing the same thing here. That means I'm just taking little by little product and I'm slowly building it up, because it is a dark shade, and with dark shades, if you apply a lot of product at a time, then it may become patchy and then it will not look perfect. I'm doing the same thing on the other eye as well. I'm taking this dark brown shade from the palette and I'm applying it on top of the previous shade, just to give my crease a bit more depth, and that way my crease will look more prominent. Now I'm just cutting my crease using the same lip brush from Pune store, and you can see I'm placing the concealer a little bit higher. I'm creating a new crease for myself, and I'm using small strokes. That way the chances of messing up will be minimum. I must say, cut crease takes time. So if you are planning to do your own bridal makeup and if you are planning to do a cut crease, then just take your time and keep practicing. Practice makes everything perfect. Now I'm just applying the concealer wherever the pink shade is peeping through. I'm not applying the concealer all over on my eyelid because I think it's not necessary. But if you want a more crisp cut crease, then you can totally apply the concealer all over on your eyelids. In that case, try to remove the concealer first, then apply another layer, a new layer. I'm taking this dark brown shade again from the palette and I'm applying it on my outer V area. It will act as a base for my black eyeshadow, because sometimes when you apply a black eyeshadow directly, then it may become patchy, it may create some kind of bald spots. But if you apply another darker shade as a base, then it won't happen. And I'm just sweeping my brush. I'm applying a matte black shade from my Anastasia Soft Glam palette, and it will just create that smoky glam look on the outer V area. I'm taking this beautiful shimmery champagne gold color, though on the pan it's looking white, but it's a beautiful champagne gold color. And with this flat shader brush, again from Morphe, I'm applying it all over on my eyelid, and you can see I'm tapping my brush. I'm not rubbing my brush at all, I'm just tapping it. That way the shimmer shade will stick to my eyelid, and it is such a stunning shade. You can see. You can wet your brush with a makeup setting spray, or you can use a glitter primer underneath. That way your shimmer shade will pop. I'm taking this same purple shade on a small brush, and I'm just applying it between the lid shade and the black shade. It will create a nice gradient effect. Also, it will just tie the look together. I'm applying the same shade on the border of my cut crease. That way my cut crease will look prominent. If you are using a glitter eyeliner on the border of your cut crease, then it's fine. But if you are not using any glitter eyeliner, try to follow this step. I promise this particular step makes a huge difference. You can totally see it just instantly changed my cut crease. Now with my Wet n Wild MegaLiner in the shade Jet Black, I'm just drawing a wing here. It's a regular wing and it is a felt tip eyeliner. So it is a little bit difficult to apply eyeliner on top of shimmer or glitter. That's why I switched to a brush, and this particular brush is again from Morphe. And if you apply your eyeliner with a brush, then it just applies perfectly on top of glitter as well as shimmer. I'm just outlining my eyes using my Jordana Easy Eyeliner Pencil in the shade Jet Black. You can use any gel eyeliner or any kajal pencil that you have in your collection. Now taking the matte black shade, I'm just smudging out my entire lower lash line, and for that I'm using an angled brush from Pune store, and I'm making my lower lash line as smoky as possible, because that way my eyes will look bigger. So that is a very nice tip actually. And if you have fine lines, then it will help with the fine lines as well. Now I'm applying the same purple shade on the border of the black eyeshadow just to tie the look together. I'm highlighting my brow bones as well as my inner corners with my Wet n Wild highlighter in the shade Precious Petals. I'm just elongating the inner corners of my eyelid. I'm actually making a V shape. That way my eyes will look elongated. I'm curling my lashes with my Revlon eyelash curler, and I'm applying a coat of mascara. This is my Maybelline Colossal Volume Express mascara. For my falsies, I'm using these Kiss lashes in the style Midnight. And here is the final eye look. I truly love how the entire look came together. I think it is a perfect look for any bride out there. It is perfect for Bengali bridal look as well. Please let me know your thoughts about this look in the comment section down below. It will mean a lot to me. And if you plan to recreate any of my looks, then do not forget to tag me on Instagram. And I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I hope this video was helpful for you. If you did, then please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. And if you are not following me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, then please do follow me there. All the links will be given in the description bar down below, so please go ahead and check that out. So yes, see you soon in my next one. Till then, bye and take care. Mwah. Bye.